So you're looking good these days. You still taking that testosterone?
Why you gotta start talking about that foolishness? We are trying to have a nice family breakfast.
Mom, it's not foolishness. It's just a question. At least he's showing interest.
So I don't show an interest in you.
Mike, yes, I've taken it, but not consistently. I can't always afford it, so it is what it is.
Well, you look good.
You're just gonna ignore the question I asked you, huh?
I thought it was rhetorical.
You thought it was what?
It's rhetorical.
Look at you, college boy, using your vocabulary.
Mike, hush! You're still mad at us because we didn't loan you that money for your sex change operation, ain't you?
Mad at us? You made the decision on your own.
Ma, it is not a sex change operation. It is gender-affirming surgery.
Well, excuse me if I'm not up on all the latest terms, but you have to understand that we have to do what we think is best, T. Now, we're going to love you no matter what you do with your life, but we just don't believe in you mutilating your body, and so we can't support that.
Okay, where do you need me to start packing?
You can go upstairs in the room. Your cousin Chanel's up there. You can start there.